Good morning, students. Class 7, chapter number 3. Name, elements, compounds, and mixture. As you know, everything is ultimately made up of elements, and two or more elements may chemically combine to form a compound. Elements chemically combine and compound form. But everything that we come across is not necessarily a pure element or a pure compound. It may be a mixture of elements, a mixture of compounds, or even one of elements and compounds that do not react upon being mixed. So mixture may be element present, maybe compounds present, and they do not react chemically. For example, the air we breathe contains elements like oxygen and nitrogen, and compounds like carbon dioxide and water vapor. Substances are often classified as follows. Substances, classification of substances: pure substances, mixture. Substances again classify as element, compound. In other words, substances can be classified into elements, compounds, and mixture. So the main classification is element, compound, and mixture. Pure substances. Pure substances is one that cannot be split into simpler substances by a physical mean, such as filtration, sublimation, or distillation. So it means pure substance we cannot be split up by a physical method, such as these three methods. Splitting means dividing, separating. As you know, an element or a compound cannot be split into simpler substance by a physical mean, so they are pure substance. Now next, elements. Elements is a substance that cannot be split into simpler substance by a chemical mean. Element we cannot split by a chemical process. Remember that a substance which cannot be split by a chemical mean cannot be broken down by a simple physical mean either. Elements are represented by a symbol. The symbol of an element consists of either the first and the one more letter of English, or a Latin name of the element. The symbol of some common elements are as given below. Let's see now elements and their symbols. Elements name: hydrogen, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Their symbols are hydrogen H, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen, fluorine, sulfur, and phosphorus. Oxygen O, fluorine F, phosphorus P, and sulfur S. Here two letters are there. One is a capital letter and other is a small letter. So now see this chart. Helium, neon, nickel, magnesium, manganese, aluminium, argon, calcium, chromium, cobalt, chlorine, zinc, platinum, and radium is there. So you just see this. First letter is a capital letter, second one is a small. So keep remember these symbols and learn these symbols, such as a neon Ne, argon Ar. So you have to learn this.